Hello and welcome. Today I am sharing 8 mixed media art journal pages created using the Altenew March release. I am so excited to be a guest designer for Altenew this month, and they kindly sent me some beautiful products to play with. Let me quickly walk you through the supplies I used. First, we have the stylish shades die. It's a eyeglasses die. Black dimensional foam tape. They have plenty of sizes, but I picked this size. Darling Dahlia dies to create this beautiful layered flower. White paste, so you can use it with a stencil. Crystal 3D gel for also added texture and dimension. It's a clear paste. Petal pop stencil. Botanical waltz layering die to create these whimsical floral elements. Nesting arches dies. Stylish background stencil set. This set includes 6 stencils, 4 for building a floral background and 2 additional standalone designs. Clematis die, it's this huge flower die. Stylish shades stamp set. Daydreams doodle stencils. Last but not least, Craft Your Life project kits called Garden Gala, and it contains stamp, coordinating dies, coordinating stencils, and embossing folder. This kit is absolutely gorgeous and perfect for mixed media projects. Now let's move on to some die cutting. I won't be sharing a full step-by-step tutorial for each page, but I will walk you through my overall process. I'm using here my Sizzix Switch die cutting machine along with variety of colored cardstock, and I am simply laying down my dies and cutting away. Each die set comes with assembly instructions and color suggestion, which I find incredibly helpful. I did a lot of die cutting. Honestly, it's so therapeutic. All the supplies I used will be listed down below if you are interested. Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I am excited to share with you all the projects I made using Altenew products or dies. So let's get started. Look at this colorful page. So this is let me show you the die. So this is the botanical waltz layering dies. So I die cut the leaves from different color cardstock, same as the flowers. For the layering, also again, it comes with a layering guide. It has a number and a letter. So for example, this is A1, A2, A3, and it's engraved in the die. I think I showed you that. For example, this is B1. It's very easy to assemble. I had really fun time, creating this page. It's a very easy. You need just color cardstocks, a die, and a glue, and just enjoy arranging, the flowers. The second page, no, it's not here. Where is it? The second page is only white and black. So I use this stencil, this one called Petal Pop, and the white paste. That's it. No, not that's it. I see here stencil too. Where's this stencil? Yep. This is stencil called Daydream Doodles. It's 2 stencils, so I use this stencil. It has like X, stars, and like wonky circles. And here a sentiment, I just die cut it, and word friend. And that's it. They create something here. Nope. Okay. Then another art journal page. Ta-da! So beautiful. I really like it. So this one I use this die. This die called Clements. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's huge. I really love it. I love the leaves, the texture and the leaves and the petals, so beautiful. I also used this glaze crystal along with the this stencil, same. Let me show you the effect. Oopsie, it's open. This one is clear, so I mixed it with ink and give me this beautiful subtle pink paste. It's a clear paste. So this is a page and the background full of color, you know, mixing with the acrylic paints. And another page also, this one, and I used the kits. So I used this stamp set, this one called Garden Gala. And I used the die, no I didn't use the embossing folder. And I used the stencil to color all these beautiful flowers. So I did stamp this flower, and the other one, like this one, I didn't stamp. I just used the stencil on a paper. Yeah, I see here. It's just a stencil on a paper. This one I used black ink, or I stamped the image. For the background I used the same stencil, Daydream, and these pink vein, that's also part of the die. And here the definition of friendship. Okay, so this is the first tag, mixed media tag. So I used the nesting arches to create this arch, and this stamp set I used the shady, the shady style, stylish shades. I use this stamp set, and this is an Altenew all die. I have it in my stash, and I'm not sure if you can see the background. I used the petal stencil along with the white paste. I'm sorry, the light is not good because it's a cloudy and tomorrow we are expecting a snowstorm. Okay, what's next? Yeah, next tag, I love this one. The background stencil, it's a layering stencil called Stylish Background. And for the center, I used 2 flower dies. This one, the botanical waltz, and this one, this flower, I used this die called Darling Dahlia. And speaking of Darling Dahlia, again here is another mixed media tags, and I used this flower die, and this is the stencil. Where is it? I think it's the winner of all these products. This is the stencil. You don't have these small. Come on, focus. Yeah, the X's and hearts. Sorry, not hearts, circles and stars. I love it. Last but not least, also another mixed media tag, and I use this die. This is Stylish Shades. This is the die, and this is the stamp set. The design here, that you have the glasses and you stamp the flower inside the glasses, but leave it alone. Again, I use the same stencil, and it's a clear paste, so I use this one, the Crystal 3D gel. Anything else? Yes. So that's all my project I made using Altenew products. If you want to see a full tutorial of any of these products, let me know in the comment. I will be happy to recreate another mixed media tag or art journal page. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.